Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Eva. This is Women Blazing Trails. If you're new to my channel, a little bit about my channel. We do a lot of random how-tos and sometimes I do inspirational, motivational things. It's mostly a channel for women over 50, but anybody at any age can really hang out and listen because some of my how-tos are kind of fun. They're a little random, but they're kind of fun. So anybody can listen. Before I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the notifications alert and all that stuff, I do like to sometimes kind of swear on this channel. So if you don't like bad words and you don't like swearing, you might not like this channel. But for the most part, like, I don't swear like a sailor. Well, yeah, I kind of do. But anyway, but it's not like every second word is fuck. So if that's okay with you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I drop videos once a week. How-to videos, like, check out this. I bought this new lipstick. Hang on one second, because I'm having like shiny object syndrome right now. So I bought this new lipstick because where I live, it's hard to find quality lipsticks and good colors. So I bought this like pink lipstick and I'm kind of really loving it. So today's how-to is I'm going to tell you a funny little story about why I'm doing today's how-to. We are making homemade mouthwash. It's amazing. Homemade mouthwash with essential oils. And wait till you see how fucking easy it is and how amazing it is. And before you leave, I want you to go down to the description box below because I'm going to list all the benefits, like the health benefits of the essential oils that I am going to be using, and it's super cool. So let me tell you a story, two stories actually. The other day, I got like this huge motherfucking spider bite on my ass. And that's when I was living in Mexico, this same type of spider used to bite me on the ass all the time. I have like 4 scars on my ass from spider bites because they leave like the spiders are like this big and they leave bites like this fucking big on your ass. So I was Googling essential oils to use for spider bites on your ass because I have like, I don't know if you can see this. Hang on, let me turn this camera around. I have like a lot of essential oils, like a lot of essential oils. So I found the oil that's good for spider bites. I'm going to show you, I'm going to drop that down below in case you ever get bit on the ass by a spider like Eva does. And I'm actually going to show you, I'm going to zoom in and show you a picture of the bite on my ass because it's fucking huge. And then also last week, I have like this crazy tooth pain thing going on. And I know I got to get to the dentist and I probably have to have this tooth pulled, but I'm not ready to do that right now. So I Googled again essential oils that are good for tooth pain. And I found the essential oils and I made up my own little concoction. But I actually, what I ended up doing was I ended up making like this brilliant bottle of like homemade mouthwash. So we're gonna get right to that right now. I just put everything in this. I had a bottle. This was almost empty, so I just put my concoction in here. And so I filled the bottle up to about there, I guess, with just water. Now, not tap water. We can't use the tap water here to drink. So it's like use filtered water or distilled water or pure water or anything like that. Like use good water. I filled it up to about there with water. And then I used about, this is baking soda. I can't find like the little yellow Arm& Hammer baking soda boxes. I haven't been able to find those yet. So this is baking soda. So I dumped about 1/4 cup of baking soda right in this bottle of distilled water. And then there's 3 oils that I use. And then I'm going to tell you something about this oil. So there's 3 oils that I use. I use eucalyptus oil. Hang on, I don't know if you can, you can't really see it because I can't really zoom in too close. Eucalyptus oil. And I'm going to drop the link down below to the oils. And I use peppermint oil. And I also use tea tree oil. So I use those 3 oils. Now, a little word of caution when you're using, crazy here, when you're using tea tree oil and eucalyptus oil, especially tea tree oil, because tea tree oil is really, really powerful. Like it's a really strong oil, but it has amazing healing properties. So just put a couple of drops of the tea tree oil in your bottle, and that's all you need. Like in a bottle this size, and this is 237 milliliters. Like I literally just put a couple of drops of the tea tree oil in here. I also put about 2 to 4, probably about 2 to 3 drops of the eucalyptus oil in here. And now the peppermint oil is the oil that I put a little bit more. I put about probably about 4 or 5 drops of the peppermint oil in here because I'm using it not only to gargle and rinse this horrible tooth that needs to come out, but I'm using it as a mouthwash as well. So when I put more peppermint oil in it, then it gives me more of a minty taste in my mouth, as opposed to if you put too much tea tree oil or eucalyptus, then that's what you're tasting, and that's not really very tasty. I guess it's kind of an acquired taste. So when I made my concoction, I mixed it all up, shook it all up. You got to shake the shit out of it because there's baking soda in there, right? And all the drops of oil. So you shake the shit out of it. And then I not gargled, I like swished it in my mouth and especially like around my tooth. I swished it all up and I spit it out. And I did that for like the first day or two. I noticed like instantly, and I'm not even fucking joking, instantly my tooth pain was gone. Gone. I was like, yay, hallelujah, which means I can put off the trip to the dentist a little bit longer. But it actually worked. Like I have not had tooth pain at all since I started this concoction. So it's like amazing. Now, keep in mind that this is just a band-aid because I do need to go to the dentist and I do need to get this tooth probably pulled. So don't use this as an alternate to going to the dentist. If you're having problems with your teeth, yes, this does work and it will make if you have any teeth pain, but you still need to get to the underlying issue and you still need to go to the dentist and get that checked out. So for now, it's working for me to just squish that around and keep the tooth pain at bay. So the tooth pain is completely gone, and also because I was a 45-year smoker and I just quit smoking. I quit smoking on Christmas Day, actually. I mean, look at these teeth. Jeez. Like, look how pretty and white they are. I swear to God, that is from this. The baking soda, the distilled water, like, seriously. So my teeth are all nice and clean. My breath is fresh. It's all natural. And my tooth pain is gone from homemade essential oil mouthwash. You can't go wrong. So that's it. That's all. That's as easy as it is. If you have any fun and funky homemade recipes that you are making with essential oils, like drop that down below and share that with everybody else. Like let us know what you have been using and what works for you, because it's all like this channel is all about learning and sharing things that you've made and have worked for you. So if you do try this mouthwash, drop down below and let me know how it worked out for you, how it made your mouth feel. I like my mouth feels alive after like I rinse. Now it's just a mouthwash. Not only do I swish it from my tooth, but I use it as a mouthwash. And my like mouth and my teeth and my gums, like everything just feels like tingly and like fresh. Like it just feels fucking fresh. Like it feels fresh all the time. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's how-to video. I'm going to drop some links down below. If you like my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But if you like my channel, if you like what I do, if you like my how-tos and my motivationals and all that, I'm going to drop a link down below to my coffee page where you can buy me a coffee and you can say, you know what, Eva, you're awesome. I fucking love your channel and I love all you do and I'm buying you a coffee, and I would really love that. So that's all I got for you guys. I hope to see you all here soon in probably a week. I think we're going to do, I don't know what the next video is going to be. It'll be a surprise. I love you. Goodbye from sunny Guatemala, and I'll see you back here soon.